Today I'm going to be sharing an Easter or spring recipe, zucchini and squash casserole. You're going to need 1.5 to 2 pounds of zucchini and squash. You can do either or both together. 1 onion, 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Now I will have the recipe linked in the description box. Some Ritz crackers, a stick of butter, 2 eggs, some sour cream, and some mayonnaise. Salt and pepper as well. Let me show you how we're going to put this together. First thing we're going to do is cut our onions and zucchini and squash into slices, and we're going to put them in a skillet. We're not going to saute them, but we're going to cook them down to get all of the liquid out of them. So thin slices. Now we're going to chop up our onion. Okay, look how many veggies we got chopped up here. That's a lot, isn't it? So we're going to add some water to this, put a lid on it, and let it cook down for probably about 20 minutes, and then I'll meet you back here, okay? You see how much it's cooked down? I'm going to cook it about 10 more minutes, and then we're going to drain all the liquid off of it, and I'll show you what we do next. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. Let's drain this liquid. I've got this here, and it's going to work really well. I think we're just going to mix it up right here in this cooker so that we don't have to dirty a bowl. So we're going to take 8 ounces of sour cream. What's left in here? Okay. We're going to do about 3/4 of a cup of mayo. I'm going to pour in 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Add some pepper. I like lots and lots of pepper. We'll add a little bit of salt because our cheese makes it salty. And we're going to add, 2 eggs. One and 2. Probably should have tempered them somehow, but I think they'll be okay. So we're just going to stir that up really well. Smells good already. Smells really good. We've got our buttered pan here. Oops. Oh gosh, that is heavy, people. Pour it right into our baking dish that has been sprayed. I've got my oven on 400 degrees. We're going to bake it for 30 minutes, but I've got to put our topping on first. Let me show you how we're going to do that. We'll melt 1 stick of butter in the microwave. Okay, I've got our melted butter. Move our pan back over here. I've got our Ritz crackers. We're just going to Crush those up right in the package. And then we're going to pour that right over top of it. Let's do some more. You can also melt your butter on the stove and put your rich crackers in it if you want to do that. We're going to have barbecued chicken and baked beans with this meal today, and some Hawaiian rolls. But this would make a perfect Easter side dish or a spring dish with your fresh zucchini and squash coming in. There we go. And then I'm going to take our melted butter and we're going to pour it just right over top. Just all over it. All right. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes and I'll meet you back here. Okay, we just got it out of the oven. It cooked at 400 for 23 minutes. I would do 375 or 350 for 30. But now the vegetables were already sauteed, so I think it's perfectly fine. I was going to let it set up a little bit, but I'm hungry. So I think we're going to do a taste test. Let me actually get a picture of it first. Okay, let's get a piece out here. I love casseroles with cheese and rich crackers and butter topping. It looks really good, don't it? Man, it's hot. Okay. Let me try a bite here. It looks really good. I'm a casserole girl. It's so hot. Let me do a taste test for you all. I've got my plate right here. That's really good. It needs more salt and more pepper. Chad is eating a low sodium diet, so I didn't put a lot of salt on it, but I'm going to put more salt and pepper on mine. It's delicious. It's really good. Now you can do this with just squash, or you can do it with just zucchini, or you can mix them like I did. And it makes a big casserole. That's delicious. Y'all make sure you give this a try. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do that as well. I'm going to be sharing an Easter series. I've got a pie, a cake, actually 2 cakes, a pie, a casserole, and 2 salads. So you don't want to miss any of those, so turn on your bell notifications. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to hit that like button. Bye. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and hang out.